I'm seeing visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Welcome po sa inyong almost personal reading, no? So we will check the energy. Is this our first for July? I think so, no? Let's check the energy for you and your person. I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lang, no? Take what's only yours. So, the Six of Swords. Alam mo, ang nakikita natin dito, parang okay na sa'yo, no? Siyempre, mas okay kung magkakabalikan. Pero, sa nangyayari ngayon, parang meron ng acceptance, meron ng parang somewhat, no? Kung babalik siya, okay. Kung hindi, I think that I am already starting, no, to somewhat move forward. Baby steps, I think, ang ginagawa natin. Mahirap naman agad, no, kasi parang nagbago ang sitwasyon. Ang mundo natin, bumalik tayo from back to zero, no. We are starting from the scratch. Kumbaga sa bata, bagong panganak. So, wala namang bata na pagkapanganak, tumakbo agad. So, nandito tayo, no, na pinipilit nating buhayin or mabuhay. Unti-unti nating tinatanggap, no, na parang, okay, wala na siya. But I'm still crossing my fingers. Now, this supposed to happen na mas okay sana siya. Pero what is blocking this is the Two of Wands. Hindi kaya masyado lang tayong naiinip? Sometimes kasi, universe may give us something. Same wish, however, it might be in a different time frame, no? Baka hindi ito kasi doon sa time frame na gusto mong ma-experience ito. Wow, parang sinasabi ni universe na stretch your patience pa, no? Konti pa. Konting tiis na lang. You might gonna get what you are manifesting. Let's see. The Knight of Wands. The Knight of Wands is clarified by the Star and the Queen of Swords. Meron tayo yata dito mga pinanghahawakang promises, whether this is a promise of your person to you, whether this is a promise of you to yourself, no? Baka kasi tayo ang nagbigay ng limitasyon na sinasabi natin sa sarili natin, sa ganitong pagpasok ng July at hindi pa siya, no? Or pagpasok ng ganitong buwan, no, because this is a timeless reading. Pagpasok ng ganitong buwan, ganitong araw, ganitong taon, kung wala pa siya, I'm starting to move forward. Wala din namang masama kung ganun din ang iyong pananaw sa buhay. Especially, most of the people, no, do not have that gift of prediction. Kaya nga nandito tayo, di ba? I feel like you're preparing yourself, no, na wag masaktan, umasa. And that's okay. Yung kumbaga, binababaan natin yung expectations. no? And I think that's part of your coping mechanism. That is part of your healing process. Medyo naiinip na tayo, naaasar na tayo. May konti ng inis, no? May konti ng panggigigil, may konti ng slight galit. Galit? Meron na ba? Now let's see. Uh, with the Judgment, the Queen of Cups, and the Nine of Pentacles. Kasi parang sinasabi natin dito, hindi ko na nafi-feel, no, yung parang buhay ako. I feel like yung person mo, binitbit, no, yung puso mo. So you feel like you're not alive anymore. You're always down. You're searching for your heart. You're searching for your happiness. And it kind of make me feel you already made a decision. And that is also okay. Kapag sinabi mong happiness is an inside job, which is true dahil ikaw nga naman, no? Ikaw mismo ang gagawa ng sarili mong happiness. I think that you found it out na your person cannot give it to you, especially now. Meron kayong separations, no? Whether it is a physical or energetic separation. So sabi mong ganun, I think it's much better for me to um, do it my way. No? Pero I'm not closing my door. Oh. You're not closing your door for the possibility of either reconciliation, possibility. No? Para sinasabi mo, ayoko magsalita ng tapos. With the Tower, the Six of Cups, and the Queen of Pentacles. Alam mo, nagtatalo ang puso at ang isip mo, no? I feel like yung isip natin, sinasabi sa sarili natin, hoy, move on ka na, no? Wala kang mapapala, nakakahintay. Pero yung puso mo, parang sinasabi, huy, meron pang pag-asa. So, this is a conflict, a war deep within, no? Yun kasi talaga din ang mahirap kapag nagsabay or kapag magkaiba ang sinasabi ng puso at isip, no? Now, let's see here. Ang laki ko sa kimonong to. Nako-conscious tuloy ako. Now, well, malaki naman talaga ako. With the Four of Wands, the Ten of Pentacles, and the Page of Cups. Ngayon, nagigets ko na yung sinasabi or parang pinapahiwatig ni universe na you should hold on a bit kasi nakakakita ako dito ng may plan si person to continue the promise, continue the relationship, rekindle, no, the love. Uh, I feel like pinag-iipunan ni person. Whether it is ang pag-iipon niya is lakas ng loob, pera, yung emosyon, pero nandito na yung parang daydreaming or dreaming, no? Na we should probably migrate to somewhere else or umuwi sa probinsya namin or iuwi kita sa bahay. Cohabitation, proposal, and marriage is here. So, ibig bang sabihin nito na parang masyadong maaga talaga ang desisyon? Kasi papalapit na, malapit na itong reconciliation ninyo, itong fixation. So, parang sinasabi nga ni universe, uy, baka nakapagtiis ka nga ng ganito kahaba. Bakit hindi mag-stay ka muna for a little while, no? Wag mong masyadong madaliin. Wag mo kong aligagain. Ayan. Nako, patay tayo dyan. Parang nagagalit. Hindi naman nagagalit. No? Parang sinasabi lang ni universe na trust in the divine timing. Ayan. With the Knight of Cups, the Justice, and the Empress. So, naiinip ka, nababagalan ka kasi parang feeling mo ginawa ko na lahat, um, nag nag-glow up na nga ako. Nag-glow up na nga ako. Nagpapayat na ako, nagpakulay na ako ng buhok. I changed everything, no? Bakit wala pa din? You know, sometimes kasi, yeah, physical appearance may help. Pero kasi kapag hindi talaga siya nandun sa time, no? Um, but I feel like we should, hindi siya mangyayari, but I feel like we should be thankful, no? Kung ano man yung mga changes or positive na nangyari dito sa buhay mo, sa katawan mo, no? Aesthetically, the Empress. Um, I think that that is a bonus, no? Kasi we did feel good, we do look good because of the separation. That's a bonus. Um, pero kasi yung divine timing kasi parang ang hirap niya i-pull, ang hirap din niya i-stop, no? Um, what needs to happen is going to happen. Now, let's see here. What's the universe kind of like cooking for you? The Temperance, the Sun, and the Four of Swords. So, ang nakikita natin dito, sabi ni universe, aliwin mo lang muna yung sarili mo for a little while. I don't know sino sa inyo ang mahilig sa juice, mahilig sa mga beverages, soft drinks, coffee, um, antukin ang nakikita ko dito. I don't know if this is just the weather, pero o baka kulang din kasi there's exhaustion, no? Palaging pagod. I am hearing Angel, Angeli, Angelica, sounds like sort of very dominant. It could be your name, it could be someone else's name, um, it could be your dog's name, what have you, no? Or probably nakita mo yung word na yan or yung name na yan somewhere else. This might be the reading, no, for you, or even some sort of like an angel per se. Yeah, mga mahihilig sa mga angel figurines, no? Oh wow, with the sun. Ha! So mahilig din mga magkakakain ng mga, alam mo yun, yung mga pika-pika ba? Yung mga kinukut-kutin ba? No? Yung mga batong pakwan, kornik, ayan. Ding-dong. Oh, ayan. I think that this reading is especially for you, no? Kaya nga, this is almost personal reading eh. Now let's see. The Five of Pentacles, the Ten of Cups, and the Eight of Cups. Yeah, parang sinasabi ni universe, you need to exhaust yourself dito sa relationship na ito, especially kung meron ka pa talagang nararamdaman. If you're really moving forward, there should, you know, your heart should be empty. Your mind and heart should be aligned because again, ang nakikita kasi natin dito medyo hindi nga siya aligned sa mga nangyayari dahil magkaibang sinasabi ng puso at iba ang sinasabi ng isip. Let's check the foreseeable outcome. The foreseeable outcome is the Fool card, the Two of Cups, the Lovers. I feel like meron ditong age gap. If this is not an age gap, if we're not talking about numbers, it could be the maturity per se. Actually, dalawa 'to, eh, ganito ka-intense ang relationship ninyo, ganito ka-intense ang love life, ang romantic, connection ninyo. You know what? I feel like you and your person is some sort of like, twin flame. Puwede rin itong, um, soulmate, 'no? The Two of Cups signifies soulmate. The Lover signifies twin flame. Um, wow, puwede bang i-combine 'yun? If there is a twin flame and soulmate, 'no, child, this is your connection, napaka-rare. Ang nakikita natin dito, chances are, by next week, kung kailan mo 'to napapanood, um, meron ng movement, 'no, si person. And by next month, so ito yung week na parang nag-aayos na, mag-aayos na. By next month, kung again, kailan mo 'to napanood ha, yung month na susunod, I feel like meron na talagang reconciliation, meron na talagang, fixations, clarity, and both of you are actually moving forward. Holding hands together and making things work, 'no? So, ang ganda ng reading. Gusto ko uling ma-inlove dahil doon sa challenges and the reconciliation per se. It may sound, cliche and probably absurd, 'no? But it felt like really a fairy tale. Merong mga challenges, but happily ever after. Um, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Now, this can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Pero bago po yan, kung meron po kayo mga gustong tanong, no, sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung information, name, number, QR code, amount per question. Follow the instruction, no? Yung iba po na nagme-message, hindi ko sinasagot kasi nakikita ko na yung pop-up. So, pag nagtatanong kayo doon na, I want to ask question, nandun po yung ginawa yung mga pop-up na yon for a reason, no? Kasi busy tayo. Gumagawa tayo ng video, gumagawa tayo ng personal readings ng iba. Iba-ibang platforms yung ating schedules. Of course, nagpapahinga din ang inyong abang lingkod, no? Yeah, so kaya hindi ko sinasagot kasi nandun naman po yung mga pop-up. All you just need to do is to follow the instructions. What you must also do here is take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted na po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya, no, sa description box. So let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart or baka zodiac sign nyo lumabas din, no? I am seeing a Gemini, Cancer, Aries, Taurus, Libra, Scorpio, Virgo, Aquarius, Cancer, Sagittarius is here, Capricorn, nasabi ko na, Leo is here, paulit-ulit si Sagittarius, parang sinasabi niya, hoy, nandito ako, oo, nabasa ko na yung Sagittarius. Pisces, Scorpio, paulit-ulit lang sila. Ang nire-remind nila, hoy, na ikaw na nakikinig, no? Nandito pa ako. So this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po.
Predicting future is my purpose. Yelling the stars align. I am Daphne, also known as Papa Island. Standing in my